Let's give health to the enemy and some damage when the bullets collide with it. First we will create variable health which will keep the health in check of enemy. We will initialize with value 100. Now we will create a function damage which will be called when the bullet is collided with enemy, and we will give parameter value to it. We will minus this parameter value to our health. If our health is greater than the value passed, then we will just push our enemy little bit back by writing velocity equals minus velocity and multiplying by some number. If our health value is small than the value which has been passed, then we will delete our enemy. To delete our enemy, we will write a queue-free function. This is an inbuilt function. When it is called, the enemy is deleted from the scene. Now to get a visual representation of our health, we will create a label node, and then after calling it inside the script, we will write label.text equals, we want our health to be in string, so we will write string, and in brackets we will write our variable health. Now let's configure our bullet. We will check if the body to which we are collided has name enemy in it. So we'll write if enemy in body dot name, and if it is true, then we want to call our damage function of inside enemy. When the damage function is called, we will pass value in it. I will write here 10. I want to give 10 damage to enemy every time the bullet collides. Now let's check. See, the damage has been done, and after it reaches 0, it is deleted. Let's create weapons for our enemy. We will add a node 2D as a wrapper. Inside it we will add sprite, then we will give texture to our sprite and make it little bit offset from the center. We will rename our node 2D to gun container and sprite to gun. Now let's add position 2D. This is the point from which the bullet will spawn. After this, we will just call all the nodes inside the script by creating the variables. Now let's create on ready var gun container, and we will call it by writing get node gun container. Want our gun container to rotate in the direction of our enemy, so we will write gun container dot rotation equals direction dot angle. This direction dot angle will give the degrees in which the gun container should rotate so that it can face the player. Now the enemy's weapon is rotating in our direction. Now let's add bullets in them so that it can shoot to us and we can get some damage. We want our gun container or our gun sprite to flip in the direction in which it is facing, so we'll first write that. We will check if our direction dot x is greater than 0. If it is, then we want the flip edge function, which means flip vertically, to be false, and if it is smaller than 0, then it should flip, which means flip vertical is true. Create our bullet scene. Instead of creating the bullet scene from scratch, we will just duplicate our original bullet scene, and we will write bullet enemy so that we can state that this bullet scene is for our enemy. Textures for the new bullet, you can give them. I'm just changing the color to differentiate between the player's bullet and enemy's bullet. also duplicate the bullet script and rename it to bullet enemy so that we can give this script to bullet enemy scene. We will do the same thing as we have done in our enemy scene. We will create a health variable, we will create a damage function, and when bullet is collided with the player, the damage function is triggered and a value is passed in the damage function. Depending on the value, it will be minus from our health, and if our health reaches 0, we just want to reload this scene. So we'll write reload current scene. Finally, let's create the shooting logic for our enemy so that they can shoot us. For this, we will create a can shoot variable. It must be true, but if the can shoot variable is true, the bullet will fire. Once the bullet is fired, the can shoot variable will become false and the timer will start. Once the timer reaches 0, the can shoot function again becomes true and we can shoot the bullet, or the enemy can shoot the bullet. Today's game is Shovel Knight. You have to write it in this specific way: Shovel space Knight. Both the words should be capital.